Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Stories blurry on Android. So, what I want you to do guys is just to go into your profile picture on the top right corner, tap on it, and then I want you to go into settings and privacy. Alright, so here you have different options. I want you to choose the first one, settings. Okay, so on the settings, scroll down until you see media. So tap on media. Alright, and here is the solution. You just need right here to change it from data saver to optimized the video quality, and go back to film another story, or to put up a photo that you have already on your gallery on your phone. I mean, so if you still have that problem on of the blurry on your stories, you just need to deinstall and then install again the app of Facebook, and also you need to clear cache from the settings. Okay, settings, and then look for apps, tap on apps, and here you will go through the second option, manage apps. Okay, and look for Facebook, then go into clear data and clear cache. Alright guys, that's the video. If you found that video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.